Hello and welcome back to another video. If you would like to know how I made this teriyaki glazed chicken using my roaster oven, stay tuned and let's get started. So you want to start off with some fresh clean chicken. As always, you can always use chicken thighs, chicken wings, chicken breasts, whatever you have available. For today, I am using leg quarters. So once you have your chicken thoroughly clean, you are going to lay it completely flat and go ahead and season the chicken. You are going to season the chicken with whatever seasonings you prefer. However, for me, I just use salt, pepper, complete seasoning, and garlic herb seasoning, and that's it. Now, after this step was done, I placed some mushroom flavored soy sauce in a little bowl, and I am going to gently brush this sauce on each one of the chickens. And the reason for me doing this, I love mushroom flavored soy sauce. It's going to give the skin on the roasted chicken as it cooks nice and slow. It's going to also give it a great flavor once I add the sauce that I'm making for the chicken. Now, also for this step, if you do not have a mushroom sauce, you can use browning. I prefer you use a sauce that's flavored because browning does not really have a flavor. So this step should be done if you are making this at home. You should have your chicken evenly coated. And now I am going to add this to my roaster oven. Now my roaster oven has been glazed at the bottom with a little bit of oil so my chicken does not stick and it can cook thoroughly. And what I am going to do now is I'm going to place my roaster oven on about 300. This is going to cook nice and slow for an hour and a half, and I am just going to add a little bit of water down the center so that way it does not burn. For the sauce, I use dark brown sugar. I also use teriyaki sauce. I also used raw honey. Tiger sauce. And minced garlic. Now, I've already made the sauce off camera, but I am going to show you what the sauce should look like. You want to make sure you prepare more than enough, depending on how many pieces of chicken you use. If you need to add more, please do so that way it can bake a little bit more on the chicken and you can have that absolutely glazed look on your chicken. Now my chicken has been cooking for about an hour and a half. I am now ready to add in my glaze. You are going to Pour the glaze slowly on each chicken, and as you can see, if you take a look at the video, it still is on low. You still see it's bubbling in the background. So go ahead and add the sauce now, because what you're going to do after, you're going to cook it for about another 10 minutes, and it's going to allow that glaze to stick on that chicken. It's going to have that teriyaki sticky look, and it's going to be absolutely good. And all that juice at the bottom you'll have if you wanted to serve it over rice or anything like that. All right, so it's going to go in. I'm going to add some sesame seeds before I let it roast for another 10 minutes. And I made some cabbage, some rice, and some cornbread on the side. You can make it with any dish that your family enjoys. All right, so after 10 minutes, this is what we have. It has completely cooked to perfection. I would like to thank you so much for watching my videos. To all my new and old subscribers, like, comment, and subscribe, and have a blessed one.